Well, good morning, Campfire Crew. This is Tony checking in from East Tennessee. So we're getting ready to leave. But before we leave, we have a surprise. I have put a birdhouse. Y'all know I love a birdhouse. We have put a birdhouse on a tree. Inside of that birdhouse, inside the lid, we have Tony from Campfire and Countryside to help you know when you find the right birdhouse. So when you find this birdhouse, and I'm going to leave the GPS coordinates to this birdhouse on the video, and now it's kind of like geocaching. So if you can find this birdhouse with Campfire and Countryside written on the inside of the lid, I want you to send me a comment. Send me a picture of you standing beside the birdhouse, and send me a comment that says, Tony, I found the birdhouse. All right. As always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You ought to have your tail up here in East Tennessee looking for this doggone birdhouse.
How cold is it, Tony?
It's
12.
It's 12 or 13 degrees. It's pretty cool. Tough as a nail.